on and get up, get out and get moving.
Here is what happened on the latest edition of Morning Glory.
A couple of Beatles-related stories this morning. First of all, Ringo Starr has been reunited in Las Vegas with his teen friends from an iconic picture which was taken in 1964. We reported on this just a couple of weeks ago about how he was looking for these people in this particular picture, and he put out a little plea, and he seems to have found them. They skipped school nearly 50 years ago in an attempt to meet Ringo Starr and his famous bandmates, but they were left disappointed due to the huge crowds that had turned out to greet the Beatles at JFK Airport. Their dismay turned to delight when the drummer took a chance to snap some of them from his limousine, but his superfans still hankered to meet the famous star. Now their teen dreams of 64 Beatlemania have been revisited after they were reunited with Ringo Starr in Las Vegas. I never knew that you were such a gifted photographer, joked one of the fans. That's a lucky shot, don't tell anyone, replied Starr. But it's great to see these pictures of them all being reunited together. He says he just put in a book because it's a great shot, and then suddenly in America everyone was trying to find them. The friends had no idea the photo existed until a search began after 73-year-old Ringo Starr wrote in his new book Photograph how much he would like to know who the teenagers were in the Chevrolet Impala that he snapped with his personal camera when they drew up next to his limousine. And after a search, the teenagers were identified as Bob Toth, Gary Van Dersen, Susan Rayod, Arlene and Norb Reiser, Charlie Swartz and Matt Blender. Imagine how excited they must be. All five of them watched Starr play with his all-star band in Las Vegas this weekend. Bob Toth said he was shown in the backseat of the car. He said the principal certainly suspended me for 3 days as soon as we got back to school. The story didn't even make it into the yearbook because he didn't want to look like he was encouraging kids to cut school. But 40 years later, he met his former principal at church and he said to me, in retrospect, what you did that day was a very good idea. And fantastic, a lovely piece of Beatlemania history.
Live on 96 FM Morning Glory.